Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing TXTM, GEGI, VGID, GEGP, SHOM, INQD, HMBL, ILUS, GESI, REV, MREO, CMRA, and RIGL. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Well, what a great week in pennies, particularly on the OTC, being led by TXTM, up 811% for the week. The big merger news happening, the medical marijuana out of South Africa. A lot of people are excited about that big merger. They got over 5,000 hectares of growing capacity. A lot to like with that merger. But the excitement for us here at InsiderFinancial.com and for our subscribers is it's lighting up other stocks in the OTC. I was saying that we needed a catalyst, a spark to get things moving again, and we got that with TXTM. And there's right now a lot of merger plays, low market caps that you can play to take advantage of this. We have a few on our radar for next week for our subscribers. Make sure you go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. The best part is it is completely free. You can also sign up in any of the pop-up boxes on the site. And then after you sign up with your email, sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And TXTM, it lit up GEGI. This one's up 272% this week, just a $7.3 million market cap. Another one is VGID. This is a Trip Zeros. It's in the Trip Zeros, up 200% this week, just a $3.4 million market cap. We have news coming next week from the company, so a lot of people are excited about that. GEGP, another one, just a $7.3 million market cap, up 166%. News coming as well. Another one is SHOM, SHOM, big day today, up 42%. $3.9 million market cap, another more updates coming. The company just put out one tweet, SHOM. We know we have been quiet for a while. A lot has been made behind the scenes. Expect an update soon. So, I mean, this is where you get excited. When a simple tweet can really get the stock running. Getting in here, just the 0.005. I mean, this is a double this week. Again, just a lot to like about these reverse merger plays. And TXTM now has $128 million market cap. Everyone's looking for the next TXTM, and you can really find it in these low float, low market cap plays that are just waiting for a merger to happen, waiting for news. And I think that like I said, with TXTM being the spark to get the markets going, you're going to get a lot of CEOs, a lot of boards. They want to close deals now. Now they're seeing the potential. It's really like it's getting the OTC CEOs off their asses. I know there's been a lot, they're working behind the scenes, but, in a dead market, they're just holding back. Like, well, nothing's going to happen. If I put out the news or I announce this, it's not going to get the market excited. Right now, Everyone's excited about these reverse merger plays. Crypto's not working. Big boards are getting hammered. Right now, pennies and small caps on the NASDAQ and NYSE are hot. And then these reverse merger plays on the OTC. So this is what you want to be focused on. Folks, I say this in my channel over and over again. Focus on what's working. Another one is INQD. CEO and also chairman Leslie Boxscore just tweeting a lot about the company. Impressive run this week by INQD with hemp mergers and acquisitions pending. He's all over the Twitter, and this is what we like to see. You want to see a CEO that is proactive, tweeting to his shareholders, getting people excited, and look what happens. I mean, you get this move in the share price, 45% today. And this one, was 3 cents last September. So a lot more room for this one to run. GEGP, I just want to go back to this one. I mean, this one was, in the double zeros, hit above 0.004 last October. I mean, from this level, I mean, it's 5x. So a lot more upside. We ran right into the 200-day of 0.009. We close above 0.001. We get some news. Again, this one's off and running. So again, just a $7.3 million market cap. A lot to like there. What else, folks? HMBL and ILUS finally seeing some selling pressure subside. Got a 12% spike today in both, 12% in HMBL and ILUS. I've talked about these a lot on the channel. Talked about the George Sharp drama. You go over here and you can check out all our videos. I said I did a video 3 weeks ago, thoughts on the ILS OTC Markets drama regarding George Sharp. And I said at the time, guys, just stop bashing one another. Humble. I've been critical of them in terms of the dilution, but I want them to succeed. I want ILUS to succeed. I'm root for all companies on the OTC that are at least trying to build a business, that are proactive and have a big shareholder base. But one that I have been critical about, and guys, I'm going to call it like I see it on this channel, GESI. Last video I said it was a pump and dump. And if you were in it, to definitely use a trailing stop or book profits. And today the OTC Markets came out and slammed it. Caveat emptor, stock promotion, and this is, I blame the OTC Markets. This stock promotion was on there a few times, then they take it off, and now they allowed this to happen. I said this chart was just too perfect, too orderly, and there was just a lot of red flags here. It was a $4 billion market cap. I mean, even here, it still has a $2.7 billion market cap. I mean, that's just absolutely ludicrous, guys. And you got to call it like you see it. I said about this drama. The last press release was General European Strategic Investments Inc. announces criminal charges officially filed against Austrian building materials tycoon Robert Schmidt and related companies. I mean, guys, when you see press release, you just got to go running from that. Anything involving criminal charges, threats of criminal charges, I mean, gotta run away. But this one was brought in. It suckered in a lot of newbies. There was a big ad campaign on Google. So it was a big promotion, big budget. And when these happen, you get the pump and then the inevitable dump. And guys, I've talked about pump and dumps on this channel a lot. Play the pump, get in, ride the pump, get out before the dump. So, you can make a lot of money in these pump and dumps. Just don't be a bag holder. Don't wait around a long time. These are opportunities, short-term plays. You want to get in, get the pump, get out. They really pumped this one hard, 3 days. It went from $5 to over $10. That was 100%, and you needed to get out. So again, buy dips, sell rips. We keep everyone informed as to what our thoughts are on these specific names. This is why it's so important to go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. We update our subscribers with not only our best ideas, but also updates on stocks to avoid, and overall more in-depth thoughts on my market opinions. So make sure you go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you don't miss any of these critical alerts. Not only allows you to get in on these ahead of the crowd plays, but also get out before the dump. So that's so important when it comes to trading pennies. 4 names making moves on the NYSE and NASDAQ pennies this week. Revlon, REV, this one declared bankruptcy. A lot of chatter going on about that Reliance Industries possibly going to buy them. Guys, I've been investing a long time. Ronald Owen Perelman, ROP as his friends call him. He's just been the wrong guy to invest with. He's out for himself. He's saddled Revlon with debt. He's owned it since '86. He could have sold out long ago. This is a vanity project for him. When they can't compete with the Kardashians and the Jenners, this company's got problems. So it's just been saddled with debt. It's going to go into bankruptcy. Perelman's going to fight. He's not going to give up without a nasty fight. This one right now, REV. If you're in it, you made money, get out. I just would be very cautious here. A lot of Redditors are talking about this is going to be the next Hertz. Be very, very cautious. Just because of ROP's involvement, I'd be hesitant to be a holder in any of his plays. MREO, shareholder activists are out with this one. It's got a $5 price target. Rubik Capital Management, they now own almost 16.5 million shares, equal to 14% of the company. They're taking an activist position here. They want to make some changes, and this one's been really beaten up. Was as low as 30 cents just last month. Still down off the highs, 335, and again, analysts are out with a $5 price target. So MREO can have some more room to run, but again, keep in mind the 200-day moving average ran right into resistance at $1.50. We need to close above there to keep the momentum going. CMRA, I talked about this one on my last video, up 26% today. Congrats to those that caught this move. I said it was a busted SPAC, put in a double bottom at $1. That was a great entry area, and we got to move this week off of that $1 low. So definitely congrats to all that caught the move in CMRA. Lastly is RIGL, insider buying. That's what's really getting the market excited about this one. CEO came in on June 9th, bought 1 million shares at 69 cents. It's at $1.10 here. Still, he almost got the low. 52-week range is 64 cents. He got in at 69 cents, was as high as 462. So RIGL looks to have more room to run. Insider buying is always something that we watch here at insiderfinancial.com, and something that we update our subscribers with on recent insider buys. So these are the types of things that you get all for free, by going to signup.insiderfinancial.com, signing up with your email and your mobile number. And as I said, we run a free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. And when we do have alerts, you get a full report at the opening bell, and that's why it's so important to sign up with your mobile number, because at the opening bell, text messages, that is the fastest way to get our alerts, faster than emails. So make sure you sign up with your mobile number as well. With that being said, we got a long weekend. Stock market is closed Monday for the Juneteenth holiday. And take the time, spend it with your family, do your homework, get ready for the big week. There's a lot to like, a lot happening. As I said, OTC reverse merger plays are getting hot. I got a few on my radar. Low market cap, low price, double zeros, trip zeros. I'm going to be sending out a full report to our subscribers this week, so make sure you sign up, and there's a lot to like. I'm very, very excited for shareholders, traders on the OTC markets. We really need it this week. Pennies are back, baby, and it's time to make that money, because, guys, as everyone knows, it's been a bear market. It's been very choppy, but I've said it over and over again, when these markets get hot, there's no better place to be than the OTC market. So get ready. We're about to make a lot of money. All right, guys, have a great weekend, and I'll be coming live to you on Tuesday after the bell with a new video update. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.